But if you wanted a formal course on home inspection, business, and marketing from a college, this is a college level course from a college. It's a tuition-free online college. You can access it anytime you want. And it's through InterNACHI School. InterNACHI School at internachi.edu. Look for that edu. If it doesn't have edu, it's an unaccredited school. Unaccredited, meaning it's not accredited by National Accrediting Agency recognized by the U.S. Department of Education. InterNACHI School is a college. And to find the home inspection business course, you go to nachi.org/education. I'll take you there. You search for business, pops right up. And I like this course, and I like chapter 11. Chapter 11 is about calculating profitable inspection fees. And there are two home inspectors, Inspector Mary and Inspector John, and they try to figure out how to calculate a profitable inspection fee. And it's not related upon their feelings. It's not related upon what they saw on Instagram. It's not related upon their competitors. It doesn't matter what the real estate agent says or even the market says. It's really about math. So we go over in chapter 11, the math that's required to calculate a profitable inspection fee. If you can't figure out how to calculate a profitable inspection fee, then you're not going to be in business for very long. And we don't want that. Go to the only home inspector college that's at internachi.edu.